Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2018 A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, backup camera. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.